Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the latest Scan Tool Network video. In this video we're in an Audi and we're going to do a demonstration of the Maxicom MK808 kit. The kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll also put a link to the latest blog post on this item which gives all of the latest information and tips on how to use the tool, etc. In this Audi you can see we've got a flashing glow plug light right here, so that is a problem that we've had with the car. Now we're going to use this tool to I'm trying to get everything in screen here, so we'll click onto diagnostics. We have this plugged into the diagnostic port and we need to select our manufacturer. It's probably easier if we just go to Audi, so it's going to sorry, European, it's going to narrow it down. Go to Audi, it's going to select and connect to the vehicle system. So we'll click into, there's a few different ways of doing it, but I find the easiest is just going by system selection, control unit, and then engine module. The flashing glow plug light is an emissions related fault, so you're going to find faults with that in the engine module. It should allow us to read trouble codes. Okay, trouble codes. And we've got a P010400. Mass or volume airflow sensor A circuit intermittent. So we knew there was a problem. Gave us the information to say there was a problem with the mass airflow sensor. We've put a new mass airflow sensor in. The car's running fine now, but we've still got the flashing warning light. So just going to click on to clear DTC. Don't worry about that, just click yes to that. DTCs will be deleted. Do you wish to continue? When I click yes, just keep an eye on that flashing glow plug light there. Yes. There we go, it's gone off really quickly there, and now we have no fault codes detected. So the job is a good one, and it's all thanks, as I say, to the Autel Maxicom MK808, which is available, as I say, at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put a link in the description below this video. I'll also put a link to the latest blog post on this package, which gives a lot more information than I'm able to give in this very short video. This video is just really a short demonstration of the glow plug light being reset. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.